So question 2. State a null hypothesis. So the null one is that there isn't a significant difference, so no significant difference. We need to say between what? Between the mean of the two types of apples. So no significant difference between the mean, what is it, massive juice extracted from whatever the two are, Jazz and Gala apples. Jazz and Gala apples. So the type of apple has no effect. And then we are asked to calculate t. So we just need to put in some of these numbers. So we've got our two means. So the top bit is the difference in the means. So t equals the difference between our means. So generally, I know it says 1 and 2, but we put the biggest one first because we're just going to have a positive difference. So 160 minus 113.8. Then underneath we have got everything under the square root, and then we've got, again, it doesn't really matter which way around we do these because we're just going to add them together. So we've got the means on the top, and these are our standard deviations. So we'll have 13.93, but we need to square that, and divided by the number of samples, which is 10. Then we're going to add that to the other one, 26 squared, divided by 10 samples again. And then you just need to work that out. So 160 minus 113.8 is 46.2. Then let's do something with this underneath. So 13.93 squared, 13.93 times by 13.93 is 194. And then we're going to have to divide that by 10. 26 times by 26, that's 676. We're going to divide that by 10. So 46.2 divided by, so 194 divided by 10 is 19.4, and then 676 divided by 10 is 67.6. I'm going to add those straight together. So 19.4 plus 67.6 is 87. Square root of 87 is 9.33, so equals 46.2 divided by 9.33. So 46.2 divided by 9.33 is 4.95. And that's our value for t there. It's just doing it step by step, and then over the page we have got calculate the degrees of freedom. So degrees of freedom is our 10, n is 10 for each one, so that's going to be 10 plus 10 minus 2 is 18. Give the critical value of t, so p is 0.05 there, and so we need 18, so that's going to be that one there. So critical value of t is 2.101. And then we just need to interpret the results, explain whether a null hypothesis should be accepted or rejected. So let's go value of t is, what do we calculate? 4.95. This is bigger than the critical value of 2.101, and I'll just mention, at p equals 0.05, at p equals 0.05 or 95% confidence. So if t is bigger than our critical value, we can reject our null hypothesis. Okay, so if t is greater than the critical value, then reject null hypothesis. So t is greater than critical value, so reject null hypothesis. And what does this mean in English? There is a significant difference. There is a significant difference between the means for the two types of apple. So we got to the end of the stats for question 2.